Hey, what's up guys, it's Keep Encoded, and today we're going to be taking a look at the Supernova Wushuang M. So I already unboxed Supernova cubes on my channel, and they're really good. So I got a 4x4, and that's my main now, and then a 3x3, which is my backup main. So I'm really excited to check out the Supernova Wushuang. And here it is. So I used to actually have a Cosmic Wushuang M, and somebody stole it at a competition, but this one should do good. Take a look at the stickers. They seem pretty well fitted. And a little Nova sticker. Alright, let's do some first turns. Okay, so that's insanely good. So unlike Cosmic Cube, this cube is pretty fast out of the box. So when I got my Cosmic Wushuang, it took forever to break in. But this one, I mean, it's really fast right now. As for performance, it feels almost the exact same as my Cosmic Wushuang. So it's really fluid, it's extremely fast. Now it does catch a little bit here and there, but that's alright. And overall, it just seems like a really good puzzle. So overall, this is a really good cube. I will probably be getting a Supernova 6x6 and 7x7, so I can have like the entire collection. And the 5x5 does not disappoint. This will definitely be my main, and I can't wait to start doing some solves on it. So that's on my unboxing of the Supernova Wushuang M. If you want to buy it, the link is in the description. I highly recommend it if you want to get a really good 5x5. That's all for this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one.